Another weak fence just hit the trench. Another big man have got rub court bench. This man from West end up in a mess. Take the laugh a joke and I hit him try test. Mr. Zavian Patterson never did I listen. So right now him freedom missing. Him create a voice note and it start float. Catch a piece of fire with a whole heap of smoke. None take him serious. Some did say a joke. Some say him be drunk or him must depend on coke. Now here we go on. The man raise my alarm. Say Westmoreland I got locked down before dawn. Many start panic. Nuff nearly vomit. Some people hold them head and a ball out, god damn it. Nuff couldn't keep calm. Man fly like a supermarket and run left them farm. People get scared when them hear. Nuff get worried cause them never prepare. Some couldn't believe say COVID this near. Imagine the hysteria just pre the fear. The man at 37 and a behave like a youth. The man a make story and even know the truth. From the tree of lie, him name the fruit. Now we choke him, what a brute. The man say from the attorney general, him get the text. The attorney general say a lie and she get vexed. You know the story, you know the rest. Them name him a person of interest. The man start worry, the man start stress. Turn himself in and him them arrest. Public mischief, I saw the charge name. Him have to hold it, him can't complain. Now him famous, but him fame lame. Yes, him go viral, but him name get stained. Them say I go dog, worry sheep. Him chat up him mouth and skin off him teeth. What him sow, a that him reap. Now, a liar fee, him a seek, and that not cheap. Plus the fine, may not be kind, is about $1 million. This one, and no bills. And even still, in a jail, he might have to chill. And him alone, and move like a clown. Get up every day, do crap on them phone. It a go on a country, it a go on in a town. But it's getting well known. When the smoke clear and it all boils down. If you make news reviews, you are gonna lose.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.